For years, the command terminal was treated like a dark cave where only developers and system admins dared to wander. Today, the terminal is becoming an agentic workbench, a space where humans and AI collaborate to solve business problems. In this video, we are going to take a messy, broken data export and turn it into a clean dataset, an automated Python script, and a standard operating procedure, all using plain English. To follow along, you only need two things: an installed copy of the Warp terminal and a disposable sample dataset. Connecting natural language to the terminal allows you to move away from manual data correction and toward building repeatable business logic. Step 1 is establishing a safe environment. When experimenting with AI automation, you should never test on your live, mission-critical company files. Instead, we create a dedicated practice lab. Open Warp, make a new directory called Warp Practice Lab, and navigate inside it. Next, drop a copy of your messy sample dataset into this new folder. Isolating your raw data removes the operational risk. You now have a sandbox where you can prototype and validate workflows safely. Warp's workspace separates into two distinct areas: the standard command line and agent mode, a dedicated space for AI conversations. We instruct the agent to inspect our CSV file, identify columns, and flag formatting errors, ending with a strict rule: do not make changes yet. The agent reads the file and returns a diagnostic report, pointing out inconsistent column names, weird date formats, and blank rows that usually cause reporting tools to fail. This inspect, plan, act rhythm keeps you in control. It forces the AI to show its work, catching data flaws before automated code execution. Now that we know what is wrong with the data, we can instruct the AI to build a solution. We prompt it to write a Python script that standardizes to column headers, removes the blank rows, and saves a cleaned version of the CSV. We also require the agent to add plain English comments throughout the code. As you can see in this output, every technical step includes a clear note explaining exactly what the script is doing, so any business analyst can understand it. You review the proposed code, ensure it aligns with the plan, and then grant the agent permission to run the script directly inside the project folder. By running the code where it was written, the terminal becomes a guided execution engine, turning spoken instructions into a functional data pipeline. Then the script fails. This mock UI shows a classic pipeline disruption, a red key error indicating a missing column. Rather than abandoning the process, ask the agent to explain the error message in plain English. The agent investigates and reveals the mismatch shown here. The script expects a column labeled Customer Segment, but the source system recently shortened the export name to just Segment. Again, tell the AI to propose a fix, but remind it not to modify the files until you approve the plan. Once you approve the updated column names, the AI rewrites the script, runs it again, and successfully generates the clean dataset. These diagnostic conversations allow you to identify and repair fragile process boundaries immediately, rather than waiting for external technical support. With the script working, the final step is ensuring this fix is documented so your colleagues can run it next week. Ask the AI to read the current project folder and create a standard operating procedure. It needs to list the required input files, outline the execution steps, and describe the expected outputs. The agent instantly outputs a clean, formatted markdown document like this one, fully detailing the workflow from start to finish. Capturing the procedure immediately turns an undocumented, one-off task into a reliable operational asset your entire team can use. We started with a disorganized data export. We ended with a clean data table, an automated Python script, and a fully documented procedure. And this was achieved without you needing to memorize software libraries or type a single line of complex syntax. This workflow represents a shift in technical literacy, from manual execution to the ability to describe a problem, validate AI logic, and orchestrate those steps into a system. Download Warp, create your own practice folder, drop in a messy sample dataset, and run your first automated sequence today. Starting this experimentation today helps you automate the repetitive parts of your workload well before these skills become a form.